Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track progress on your projects using ClickUp. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing we're going to do is to log into ClickUp. We're going to create an account. I like to create my accounts using Google, so go ahead and do what you prefer. We're going to leave a link for ClickUp down below in case you guys want to check out the platform. Once you log into ClickUp, you're going to see many different features, but don't get overwhelmed at first. What you're going to do is you're simply going to tap on spaces. And what I like to do is to head over to board. I prefer to see my task in a way where they are organized instead of having like a list, but you can also check out lists in case that works better for you. But today we're going to use boards. I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit smaller. And here you can create any task that you have for the day. So let's say that today I need to complete forms. So I'm going to go ahead and save that as such. All right. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to move my project whenever I'm working on it into the in progress space. And that way I'm able to track it. Now, ClickUp also allows you to share this with your different team members. So you can maybe add an email, and that way you can either assign it to somebody else or you can just work with your teammate to do so. Once you're done with this, you can simply go ahead and move it into complete. And you can also add due dates into your task, which makes it a lot easier for you to track your projects. And that is it, you guys. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.